make black beans and quinoa in an Instant Pot.
It's a very quick and easy recipe.
The ingredients we need for black beans is 1 cup of dried black beans, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and 3 to 4 cups of water. Wash the beans properly. Make sure you don't touch the beans while washing to make the beans cook evenly. Our black beans are washed. Now add the washed beans, water, and salt into the Instant Pot container and put the container in the Instant Pot. Now click on the button that says bean/chili, then adjust the time to 20 minutes. Now just wait for the beans to get ready. Our black beans are ready. Let's take the black beans out and then strain them. The ingredients we need for quinoa is 1 cup of quinoa, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and 1 1/4 cup of water. Wash the quinoa very well. Quinoa has a thin layer, so if you don't wash the quinoa very well, your quinoa will taste bitter, so make sure you wash the quinoa 3 to 4 times. Our quinoa is washed. Now add the washed quinoa, water, and salt into the container and put the container into the Instant Pot. Now click on the button that says pressure cook. Adjust the time to 3 minutes. After the pressure cook is over, let the quinoa rest for 10 to 15 minutes. The quinoa is ready. Now let's fluff them with the fork.
Our beans and quinoa are ready.
Please don't forget to watch our upcoming video to learn how to use quinoa and black beans in a healthy and colorful recipe.